Hello, my name is Eric, and I am the Peer Tutor Coordinator for the Student Achievement Center, which is part of Libraries and Academic Support Services at Madison College. Today I would like to share a helpful video that covers how to make an appointment online with a Student Achievement Center tutor. Starting at the Madison College homepage, click on Library. Next, click on Student Achievement Center, and then select Student Achievement Center from the drop-down. Then click on the Book a Tutor icon. After that, click on the link found in the first step under Directions for Making a Tutoring Appointment, shown here. After clicking on the link, you may see a screen with the message, More Information Required. If you see this message, click Next. You will then be prompted to enter your student account password. Once your password is entered correctly, click the Sign In button. You may also be prompted to log in using multi-factor authentication. If you have not set this up or have any questions about multi-factor authentication, contact the Student Computer Help Desk at 608-243-4444. After logging in, click the Search Availability button located on the left. Next, select SAC Online Tutoring in the Center drop-down. Then, select the desired course from the next drop-down. After selecting your course, click Search. All available appointment times will be displayed. You will also be able to see the appointment dates and tutor names at the top of each appointment column. Once you locate the day and tutor of your choice, select from the available time slots. For example, to make an appointment on Monday at 1:15 p.m. with Dave, click on the time in the corresponding green box. Here you will be able to see and confirm the time and date of the appointment, as well as write in notes to let tutors know what concepts you would like to work on. After confirming the appointment details, click Save. This completes the appointment making process. You are also able to create additional appointments by scrolling to the right and choosing the times that best suit your needs. To view a list of all future appointments you have scheduled, click Main Menu. Here you will be able to view all upcoming appointments. To cancel an appointment, click on the gray X next to the description of the appointment you would like to cancel. Then, click Confirm Cancellation. If you need to cancel an appointment, please make sure to cancel at least 1 hour before the appointment start time so that other students have a chance to make an appointment at that time. Please note that 3 instances of not attending a scheduled appointment or not canceling an appointment with at least 1 hour's notice may result in suspension of booking privileges. After making an appointment, you will receive a confirmation email with the appointment details, including the day, time, course, and tutor you chose. Sometime after this, you will also receive a WebEx invitation email from the tutor. When it is time to start the appointment, click on the green Join Meeting button included in the WebEx invitation email. If you have any questions about making online tutoring appointments, or with any other Student Achievement Center or library resource, you can reach a Student Achievement Center support staff member by phone at 608-246-6125 or by email at peertutoring@madisoncollege.edu. You can also chat with us live by clicking on the Chat with Us icon located on the SAC homepage. Thanks for watching our help video on how to make online tutoring appointments, and have a great day.